Hey everybody, it's Larry from Flying L Comics. Hey, I wanted to talk to you today about UV flashlights and why you should own one. I made a purchase on eBay for this weird fantasy comic. I paid quite a bit of money. I believe it was in excess of $400 for it. The seller had advertised that the book was unrestored and it appeared to be in perfect condition. However, after I received it, one of the first things I always do is a page count to make sure everything is there, and to also use a UV light, in this case, a particular flashlight that I purchased off of Amazon. And with that, the first thing I spotted was mending tape on the inner cover, which leads me to go further, and I spotted conservative mending tape that was on the spine as well. This is very disappointing to find, of course, and it led to the transaction being returned. This in itself was a different challenge as it was in Canada, and this particular gentleman went on vacation as soon as he sent it. So I was right up against the wall on the 30 days for returning it. So I just wanted to give this kind of a PSA announcement. If you don't own a UV flashlight, you should get one. And I'll put the link to this flashlight below so you can check it out. It is a great flashlight, I'll tell you. It was wonderful, and I think everyone should own one.